Western Massachusetts residents spent the morning cleaning up after snow piled up across the state Thursday. 22 News reporter Ashley Afonso gives you a look at the cleanup efforts in one of the areas hardest hit by the snow.
Friday morning was a picture-perfect shot of New England in the winter, but the cleanup wasn't as pretty.
It's beautiful to look at, but not great to shovel.
Residents across Western Massachusetts were digging out after it piled up.
I thought we were going to skate right through the winter, and then this came on us. So far, we've been lucky, but we're making up for it now.
Here in East Longmeadow, they had more snow to clean up than anyone else in Massachusetts. 19 inches of snow. It's more than any other city or town got.
Luckily, it's a soft, fluffy snow, so it's easy to lift. If it was wet, I'd still be over there.
Since most of the state had Thursday off, a lot of people waited to dig their way out.
I came out at the end once it stopped, and because coming out in the middle of it didn't make any sense to me.
But even those who were proactive with their cleanup found themselves digging out the end of their driveways Friday morning after the plows blocked them back in. In East Longmeadow, Ashley Afonso, 22 News.